Right, finally, tip number 10. Hopefully you've enjoyed these first 9 tips. Hopefully some of these features are new to you. But the problem is, you don't know what you don't know. There may be features out there, like these first 9, that hopefully will save you time or add functionality to your workplace, to your spreadsheets, to your job and make you more productive. But what skill set should you have? What new additional information is there out there? Well, my advice to you is to ask Microsoft. Let's type in Microsoft Excel exam. Now, I'm not typing this in because I think you should actually do the exam. Actually, I think you should do the exam, but that's not my point right now. What this webpage and similar web pages for Excel 2016, Excel 2010 and so forth show you is, yes, there's a certification that's out there, but this is a skill set that Microsoft would like you to know for this particular exam. So we can see create and manage worksheets and workbooks, create cells and ranges, create tables. We had a look at tables earlier. Apply formulas and functions, create charts and objects. We had a look at charts earlier. And if we click in show all, you can see that it is fine-tuned to lots of different particular topics. So we've got a similar range for Excel 2016 and Excel 2010. So minor variances between them, but a similar sort of thing. So this is the skill set that Microsoft want you to know. Now, what are the advantages of actually taking the exam? How much does it cost? Well, it costs roughly around $150 and it's available all over the world. Now, here are some arguments about taking the exam. You'll have proof of my ability to work with Excel. I'll be more effective and more productive. But let me give you a non-boss reason, a you reason. Microsoft research has shown that somebody having a certificate from Microsoft, not just one that says I have taken this course, but one that says I have proven my skills by going on this exam. If you have such a certification, Microsoft say that for the entry-level worker, it can add as much as $16,000 to annual salary. So just imagine what having this certification will do to your CV or resume. And there's also a certification and a curriculum for the expert level as well. So you don't just have to stop here. But regardless of whether you want to take the exam or not, would you like to know all of these things? Would that help you in your work? Well, if it would, can I introduce you to my courses in Udemy? I have got 3 courses for Excel at the intermediate level. It goes all the way back to beginner and works all the way up to intermediate. And you can see it's around 11 to 12 hours. In these courses, and there's 3 courses, one for Macintosh, one for Excel 2016 and below, and one for the latest version, Excel 2019. We start right at the beginning and we go all the way through. So here we're having a look at the $sign, cell ranges. We're formatting, we're highlighting, we're using conditional formatting that we've had to look at, but we're doing it at a much more leisurely pace. In this video, we've taken around 5 to 6 minutes on each topic. In the Udemy courses, we can stretch a lot more when needed and go into more detail. We're creating a modifying table, we're filtering, we're creating charts, but we're doing much more than we have done in this particular top 10. Now, you can find these courses on Udemy. However, if you go down to the show notes in this YouTube video, you will find a very special offer. This is the cheapest price that I'm allowed to sell these videos for on Udemy. It's around $9.99 US. Price in your country may vary. However, whatever that price is, it will be cheaper. I can say with some confidence that that price will not be beaten. So I hope you've enjoyed my top 10 tips at the intermediate level. Have a look for my other videos, and I hope to see you in my full Udemy courses where we can go through all of the features that Microsoft say you need to know about. Well, thank you very much for joining me on this video. If you want more, why not join me on Udemy, where I've got hours of additional videos detailing all of the functionality you need to know about Excel. And if you have a look, just below, you will see a special code that will entitle you to get my videos at a special price. Well, I hope you found this interesting. If you have any comments, please put them below, and I'll see you on the next course.